Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your weekly Bitcoin analysis for the week of Monday, July 27th, 2026. I start with this chart that spans almost 10 years, and the fact that we violated this 8.5-year channel bottom a couple of months ago. We've closed back above it by a hair and fallen away again. We're right at it still. There's a lot of hesitation here. The question is whether we're going to continue up from here or down from here. The likelihood is down as long as we can't close convincingly above 64,529. Then still anticipating, I should say, for 49,363, this high that goes back to August of 24 over the next few months. With present volatility, certainly over the next 2 or 3 months. There was a point where I would say within 3 to 5 weeks, but we're not in that kind of volatility environment right now. And over the next full year, I do think there's a case to be made for the mid to upper 10,000 region, this 15,559 and 19,289 region, 285 region. You can go back to December of 17 as a high and this pullback low going back to 22. This is an area that can absorb selling on an annual basis. So we'll see if this all plays out. I will say that in terms of the upside, I do have a buy signal that does occur with a weekly settlement above this a pretty well-defined 65,146. So that correlates with that long-term channel bottom in the 64,000 handle. And it is our buy signal if settled above. But until then, I don't see a compelling reason to be long Bitcoin, not only through the rest of August, but through the rest of the year because of what I've just said with that long-term channel bottom. If we close above 65,146 this week, then yes. Recovery into the low 80,000 region. Yes, with present volatility, this could be 3 to 5 months, but volatility can reawaken in this market. And if we close back above 65,146, I do think 81,516 in reach within 2 or 3 months, where we could tap out on a quarterly basis. This would be a significant buy signal into 27. We're not there yet. I'm not going to go there. But what I am saying here, of course, is if we close this week above 65,146, we probably have a good low for the year, because over the next 2 to 3 months, which would put us, into November, basically, the 81,516 level would be in reach. And I am going to leave it at that for this particular Wicked Stocks video analysis on Bitcoin. You have a great week.